boys and girls. Today we're going to do a guided drawing, all right, a guided drawing. So that means that you're going to follow along with Miss Summers and you're going to draw a picture on your paper while I'm drawing a picture up on my whiteboard, all right? So I want you to take your paper, right? You'll need a blank piece of paper and you'll need a pencil for this assignment. I want you to take your paper and you're going to turn it to the portrait orientation, right? Orientation means the way it's turned, and portrait means that the long way goes up and down. So you do not need to start by drawing a rectangle, right? My whiteboard is too big, so I'm just drawing out my piece of paper for you, okay? So you're gonna follow along with Miss Summers, okay? Make sure you're practicing careful looking, because if you're not looking, if you're just listening to my directions, then you're not gonna know what we're doing, right? Because you have to be able to see art. Okay, so down near the bottom of my paper, I'm gonna start and I'm gonna make my first line by making a curved line. It's kind of like the curve maybe of like a smiley face, right? It's near the bottom, it goes close to my edges, so it's pretty big, but it's not touching the edges, right? But it's not teeny, teeny, tiny. I'm not drawing a curved line that big, right? That would be way too small. All right, very good. So next, I'm going to draw two lines that go up and just a little bit out. They're kind of slightly diagonal lines, right? They come up, out, away from our smiley face line, okay? All right, next, I'm going to draw a zigzag line that connects my two diagonal lines, right? And your zigzag does not have to look exactly like mine. That is just fine. Draw a zigzag line that goes from one side to the other. Good job. All right, next, I'm gonna draw a shape kind of like a C on top of my zigzaggy line. I'm gonna come over to the other side, right? And I'm gonna draw a backwards C shape. Very good. All right, I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna draw another C. And I'm gonna draw another backwards C. And then at the very top, I'm gonna draw an S that connects off to this side here. Right? Just a nice little S shape. And I'm going to connect it down with a curved line. Can you guess what we've drawn? You're all smart. I'm sure you figured it out way before now. All right, so we're going to come down here, okay? And I want you to add some lines that go up and down. Those are called vertical lines, okay? And that will give us some more detail and some kind of texture, right, visual texture for our cupcakes, for our cupcake papers, all right? Okay, now here's the fun part, okay? We've drawn a cupcake together, but I want you to think of some creative toppings for your cupcake, okay? Maybe you want to draw a lollipop coming out of the top of your cupcake, or a cherry, right? Maybe you want to have chocolate chips on your cupcake, right? Or maybe you have a cookie sticking out of yours, right? Ooh, who knows? Maybe you want to add some sprinkles, right? Some small rectangles. Maybe you want a strawberry on yours, right? Or blueberries, or any other type of candy on yours. I want this to be creative for you, okay? Maybe you decide that there's a pattern on your cupcake liner, right? Maybe you have really big polka dots on your cupcake liner, right? This is up to to you. That's whatever you want. Maybe you want to get extra silly crazy and you want to have an ice cream cone on top of your cupcake, right? Maybe you want rainbow frosting. I don't know. But I want you to be really creative, okay? And then I want you to color in your drawing, and I want you to color in your white space, all right? We're trying to fill in as many white spaces as we can. So, if I'm coloring my cherry, is that my best coloring? It's not, right? That's me being fast and trying to rush through. If I'm doing my best coloring and really trying to get all of my white spaces, then I'm taking my time, right? Good artwork takes a lot of time. See? And that's a lot better. You can see I filled in more of my white spaces in that drawing, okay? So I want you to express your creativity with this part of the assignment, okay? And have fun with it, right? Make a nice cupcake. I can't wait to see all the fantastic flavors my friends come up with. Right? All right, boys and girls. I'm gonna finish my cupcake, but I want you to finish yours as well, all right? See you next time.